Hi guys, this is my third video in the series on great places for flatwater kayaking in West Virginia. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. So Charleston has something new that I've been excited to try. Amy Goodwin, the mayor of Charleston, has opened a new kayak launch. And it's really cool. It's on the Elk River just before it joins the Kanawha. It has a rail to hold on to as you get into your kayak, and there are notches in the tops of the sidewalls so you can use your paddle to push off or pull your kayak up onto the launch ramp from the water. This new launch is going to make it super convenient for all of the kayakers in Charleston to get on the water without needing to travel. Usually when I go somewhere to paddle, I'm getting away from the noise and hustle of the town to enjoy calm water and the sounds of nature. So this was a different experience, but it was fun. It was interesting to see the buildings from the water, paddle under the bridges, see people jogging and walking along the river, and share the water with all the other boaters enjoying the Kanawha and Elk Rivers. In good weather, the water's flat and easy to paddle, up and downstream. There are lots of other boaters, so you will have to deal with wake occasionally. There are even barges that run on the Kanawha, and they're much quieter than you might think, so it's a good idea to look over your shoulder every now and then. Haddad Riverfront Park isn't far from the new launch, and even though there isn't much going on now because of the coronavirus, it's usually a great place to listen to live music, watch fireworks, or dock to explore downtown Charleston on foot. There are lots of cool shops and restaurants within a couple blocks of Haddad. There isn't a lot of shade on the Elk near the launch and none on the Kanawha, so sunscreen and sunglasses should definitely be in your kit when you hit the water. When you're ready to dock, just point your kayak at the ramp, get up a little speed, and coast right into the channel. You can then lay your paddle in the notches on the top of the sidewalls to pull your kayak a little further onto the ramp if needed. One last thing to consider though is that the parking lot isn't exactly close to the launch. There is a wheelchair access ramp, but if you take the steps there are 21 between the parking lot and the launch, so it may be a good idea to go with a friend so you can help each other carry your gear. I definitely recommend checking this out though, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.